Okay, y'all, so let's get into this because I'm genuinely excited. I was sent this shower curtain from INHOUSOLU Home Decor. And first of all, they sent it in the color pink, which is literally my favorite color. So we're already off to a great start. I love when brands actually pay attention because details matter, especially when it comes to home decor. So let me just jump right into it. The first thing I noticed is how soft this is a 100% polyester tuft shower curtain, but it doesn't feel cheap at all. It's not stiff at all. It has that plush, almost cozy texture, which I really appreciate because my bathroom is my reset space, okay? Now, let me show you what comes inside. So, of course, yes, the shower curtain, they sent shower hooks, 14 rust resistant metal hooks at that, but I don't need those, so I threw them to the side. But yes, listen, this right here is perfect. It's durable, it's machine washable, which is a huge plus. And anything in my home needs to be practical, not just cute. So let's get to hanging up these shower curtains. So here I'm pretty much, I had changed everything. So I do two separate linings, meaning I do the shower curtain and then I do a plastic lining so the shower curtain doesn't get wet. But I've noticed that some people don't do that. So just in case there's anybody who's watching that doesn't do that and you're like, hey, what is she doing? It's like a lining. So I put a plastic lining up, and then once I do that, then I put my shower curtain attached to it. So I just was lining it up. So like I told you, I have my own hooks. So my hooks are gray and white. I believe that's like gray and white with like a silver hook on it. So yeah, I'm just hooking them on, and then we're gonna get to hanging them up. So this right, it's so crazy because I don't be wanting to be no gap in between. Like I be wanting to just talk, and I think that's my issue with doing like voiceovers because it's like, girl, it's okay, just pause it and let us just watch you do what you doing. Shit, right? Like, but I don't be wanting to do that. But anyway, putting this up was super easy. Okay, so I'm gonna let you know right now, it was super easy. The hooks that I have, they slid right in, no struggle, no awkward pulling. And as I'm hanging it, you can really see the texture coming through. That's what I had liked. Like I was like, wow, this color really pops. Like it's a nice, it's soft pink, but it's like bright. So it's like okay, like like it's nice. So it brightened up the bathroom instantly. I think the last color I had in here was like a peach color. It looked pink, but it wasn't pink. So I do need to get some more rugs, like what they call that, I guess, bathroom mats. Yeah, I need to get some more of those since now I got this pink. But yeah, right. Let me step back and let y'all see the final look. This is really nice. It's such a soft pink. It's not over empowering, but it's bright and it works so well with my space. And it gives a clean, cozy, and elevated look. So I'm digging it. I'm not gonna front. I love that it fits into different styles too. Whether your bathroom is more modern, boho, minimal, or feminine, this works. And they have it in multiple colors, so you're not limited to just this one look or just this one color, So yeah, I love it. It's pretty, it's functional. Yeah, you can tell this was like designed for like real life, not just aesthetics. And honestly, for the quality, the details, the extras, and the price point, this is really a solid upgrade if you're looking to refresh your bathroom without doing the most. So yeah, shout out to In How Solo. I don't even know if I'm saying anything right. I'm sorry. I'll put their name in the description. But they have great home decor, so shout out to them.